Established in 2005, Shenzhen Jinri Electrical Appliance Company Limited is a professional OEM and ODM manufacturer specializing in hairdressing and beauty products for both professional salon and household. Our main products include hair dryer, hair curler, hair straighteners, and hair accessories. Most of our products are CE, CB, ROHS, ETL, REACH certified. Our products are exported worldwide. We also have passed ISO 9001-2008 Management Certification, certified by SGS. Located in Gongming area, Shenzhen City of Guangdong Province, we boast a plant area of 9,170 square meters and near to Shenzhen International Airport. We provide customers with one-stop services from the R&D, molding, injection to manufacture of final products. We strive for survival on the basis of quality, leading the salon industry with cutting-edge technology. There are 9 production lines in our company with a production capacity of 420,000 pieces per month. As usual, we can ensure a short production time and good quality. We are constantly trying to create the maximum value for customers and move towards internationalization through continuous development in terms of competitive price and outstanding customer service. Jinri welcomes global customers to negotiate business. We hope to establish long-term cooperation with you.